Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Wishlink affiliate. So, first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. Okay, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Wishlink. That's right. And then you have this first website, so I just have to tap on this one. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds and you will be directed to this page. Now that you're here, all you have to do is to tap on the get started. That's right, and then I just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so right here, if you're ready to start earning with Wishlink, you have to enter your phone number to get started. So I'm just going to search for Philippines. That's right. 9765345519 and tap on the get started option. Okay, and then I just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and then I just have to enter right here the code. Just have to check your phone for the OTP. Okay, so let me just type it right here for 062. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. And then once you're done, you just have to connect your socials. So connect your primary social account to set up your Wishlink profile and start earning. You can continue with your Instagram, with your YouTube, your Facebook, or with your Telegram. So we have successfully connected our Instagram account for our social. Okay, that's right. So again, the Wishlink is an affiliate platform where you can earn commissions by sharing product links every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase. So you get a percentage of the sale. It is perfect for content creators, influencers, or even beginners who want to monetize their recommendations online. Okay, so a social media account. So again, if you have TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, consistent content doesn't need to be perfect, and niche your products you want to recommend. So you don't need thousands of followers. What matters is the engagement and the trust. Okay, so here they have the Wishlink crash course. So they have 14 videos. If you want to learn all of this one, it will take 45 minutes in total. Then we have the Wishlink exclusive. So we have the brand collab, rewards, Wishlink sourcing, brand sourcing, engage, growth, and select by the Wishlink. So they also have the exclusive offers. Mhm. And for example, we have these products right here. So these are the example products that we can use. So up to 19% commission for this one. Okay, so here, you can make sure that your profile looks clean and legit because this helps you get approval faster. Okay, so for example, we have this product, so you can actually for example, you can message the seller or you can request for a free sample, so you don't need to purchase the product. But of course, you have to make sure that your profile looks legit, so your sample request will be approved if that is available in your region. But I think currently Wishlink focus more on the commission, not the sampling. Okay, so now let me just go back right here and let's go to our profile. Okay, so you can tap on your profile, this one. Okay, so here, this is our profile. So we are going to add here our details. Okay, so we have to add everything right here. So we have an effective profile so that it will be approved immediately. Okay, now do not just drop links. You can create content around the product, show how it works, and review it or tell your experience. So it's better if you have the products already or you purchase it from here so that when you promote the product, your audience can actually see that you did not just upload the products but you're actually using it. So, for example, this lipstick, okay, so you just have to tap on this one and then you will be directed to that specific website where you can purchase the product. Now, if you are going to buy this one, Okay, so say for example, you already have this product now, so you just have to go back here and then you just have to copy the link. Okay, so you have to tap on the your option, your social options. For example, continue with Instagram, continue with YouTube, with Facebook, or Telegram. So it will depend on you. What kind of social are you going to use to promote this product? Okay, so let me just skip this part, and then um, for example, I can give you content ideas. For example, on TikTok. So TikTok made me buy this one, the product reviews, before and after results, and unboxing videos, worth it or not content. So something like that. You can actually do that. And then um, again, instead of Wishlink, you can track your performance. Okay, so you can go to the analytics. So this section is the analytics, and you'd be able to see here now the insights. Okay, you can see here the number of clicks, the conversions, and then the earnings. So this helps you understand what content works best so you can improve and earn more. So if you are a content creator and you love promoting brands, you're creative when it comes to content creation, then I believe the Wish link is, one of the best website that you can actually use to promote products and earn your rewards using the affiliate link. Okay, so here you also have the different shops where you can see here. You have not added any posts to your shop, so you'd be able to see here your post, your collection, and your product links. Now if you want to create, so you just have to tap on the create option, and then you just have to select the type of wish link you want to create. So you can link to the content to Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or you can share wish links directly. So single products or the products collection. Okay, so here when it comes to brands, you can actually go here. So if you are looking for men's brand, so you can go to the men's section. Okay, and then you'll be able to see here the available brands that you can use. So for example, this brand right here. Okay, so you'd be able to see here the commission structure for this brand. So now let's go to the brand website and let's find out some of their products. So if you believe that you can actually use their products and then promote it using your socials, and then you believe that it is relevant to your niche, then you just have to purchase the products and then promote it to your affiliate link. Okay, so again, if you don't want to purchase the products as well, you have the option to actually directly promote the product without even purchasing it. Okay, so again, you just have to stay consistent with posting, choose the products you actually like, and engage with your audience, and do not spam the links. Okay, just focus on the value. And if you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.